Let's learn English with a fun new story.
One day, I'll be a real soccer player. I know I'm small, but I can play too.
You? You're way too small to play with us. Sam, the other players are much bigger. You'll sit on the bench for now.
But coach, please, give me a chance. Maybe they're right, Dad. Maybe I'm just too small.
Size doesn't win games, Sam. Heart and hard work do. If you want it, then train harder than anyone. Never give up.
You're right. I'll practice every single day. Faster! Stronger! I can do this! The big final! Please, coach, let me play!
We're losing, and my players are exhausted. I have no choice, but Sam. You're in. Go show them what you've got. Yes, coach. I won't let you down. This is my moment. Here I go. Too big to catch me now. This is it for the team. Goal! That's my player. Whoa! I knew you could do it, Sam. You did it, Sam. Never let anyone tell you you're too small.
I never gave up.
And I won.